and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how you can build a WhatsApp chatbot without writing any single line of code. And the creation of this amazing automated chatbot is complete in just 10 minutes. And this will be only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. I created this WhatsApp chatbot based on test data. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account. Here I am sending my first message as hi. As soon as I send message, immediately you will see I have received one message from my bot that hello, welcome to your business name. I am your smart WhatsApp assistant here to help you instantly. Please select the option below while providing me two quick buttons, that is book appointment and contact support. You can see in the business name it is coming as a test because I said this, but when you do this you can put your business name in this place. Here I want to book an appointment, so I am simply clicking on this book appointment button. Then it will ask me to select the service on what I want to book an appointment with one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me test services as service 1, service 2 and service 3. Let's say I want to book in service 1, so I am selecting this. Next it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to book an appointment, so I am sharing one test date. After that it will ask me for my full name that I am going to share as test user. Then it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number also. Finally, you can see I have received one customized confirmation message from my bot, which includes all the details that I have shared while communicating with my bot. That is the name as test user, service type that I have selected from the list as service 1, appointment date and the contact number. So if you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your any business, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and get instant solution. So if you also want to join this amazing community, that I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. On the right hand side you can see two options. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. Since I am an existing user, so I will click on the sign in option. These are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Here you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. It will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. We have already created a separate video for both of these steps, that how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. I'll provide the link of the video in the description below. On the left hand side you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. Now as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am creating a WhatsApp chatbot for any business, and the creation of this chatbot is completed in 10 minutes. That's why I am entering the name as build a WhatsApp WhatsApp chatbot in 10 minutes using Pabbly Chatflow. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side you can see two options. The one is active inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am writing in this enter keywords box as hi. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here as book appointment. Here I added only two keywords, but you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message completely based on my business. So for writing the welcome message for my user, I am selecting this text button from here and writing my message in this enter message box as hello, welcome to your business name. You can write your business name in this place. I am your smart WhatsApp assistant here to help you instantly. Please select the option below. Now for answering this, I am giving two quick buttons for my user. For that I am clicking on this plus add buttons 2 times, where I am going to write my first button as book appointment and the second one is contact support. Now I am connecting this trigger point to this welcome message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here my trigger point is connected to my welcome message. I write this content as a test example. You can make the changes in it completely based on your business. Now let's say my users wants to book an appointment, then they will click on this book appointment button. Then my bot will reply to them by sending them the list of service types that I am providing to my users. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. This list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the message body in this enter message box. As please select the service you want to book an appointment for. Now I want to add the list of types of services, so to do that I am clicking on this plus side section button, where I am going to write the section title as service types. After that, for adding the list options, I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of services, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added as first I write the service 1, then the service 2 and the service 3. As again and again I am saying that I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot as a test example to teach you how you can create an automated WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. You can make the changes in it by putting your business details and service in each steps of this flow. Here it is completed. After that I am connecting this circle which I present in front of book appointment to this message. It is connected. You can also write the description in this enter descriptions box if you want to. Here I am not writing it. Now when my user will select the service type, then my bot will reply to them, but before that I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and taking the button as set custom field, drag this box here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as service type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is service 1, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this service type. That's why I am connecting this circle also to this. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere or switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. When you scroll down, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of service type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not for this service type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field nodes here for each of these service types. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field, that is service type, but I only change the value in each of these contact custom field nodes based on this list options. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now, when my user will select the service type, then my bot will ask them to share the date that when they would like to book an appointment. For that, I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here and writing my question as please share your preferred date for booking the appointment. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as appointment date. After that, the format I select as date, then the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have right here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you respond in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempts for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this question box. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me the appointment date, then my bot will ask them to share their full name and their contact number. For that, I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more questions in this flow. Here I have done where in this question box I ask my user to share their full name. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text. Then at last in this box I ask my user to share their contact number. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I select as number. Then I entered the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes as 10 times 1 and 10 times 9. You can also use these default values for the number format. After that, when my user will provide me the service type, appointment date, their full name and their contact number, then my bot will give them one customized confirmation message which includes their name, selected service type, contact number and the appointment date. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and selecting the button as text button, dragging this box here and writing my respond message in this enter message box. As your appointment is confirmed, here are your details, name with $symbol, full name, contact number, service type and the appointment date. You can see I have used the $symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will automatically capture my user's response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all of these contact custom fields. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. It is connected. Now the next button is the contact support. If my users wants the contact details of my business, then they will click on this contact support button. Then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line, selecting the content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write the contact details of my business. Here I entered. I write this as a test example. You can put actual contact details of your business in this box. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate any business without you doing any manual efforts. This will reply to your users 24/7 and enhance your business performance. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you have any questions while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description below. You can check out. This automated chatbot will save your time by replying to your users within a seconds without you doing any single efforts. This will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.